No.
Is it Percy's birthday or Thomas's birthday?
No, it's Percy's birthday.
Oh, can you sing happy birthday to Percy then?
Happy birthday to Percy. Happy birthday, Thomas. Happy birthday, Percy. Happy birthday, Thomas. Percy. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Yeah. Yay! Very cute. Very. Oh. See. Thomas. Okay. Oh. I got one of Pete, Mama.
Just wait. Do you have the hiccups?
No.
See, I got the hiccups.
Mama, live like you go, Mama.
I don't know. It's probably in there somewhere.
Scissors.
There it is. Somebody loves their blankies. You got the hiccups. You want a sip of water? Yeah. A little sip.
It's Percy. Mama.
Careful not. No, it's not Percy's water, Mason Lynn. No, it's not Thomas's. It's Mason and Mama's. Only you get to take a little sip. We don't put water on our toys. Good job. Ooh, burr. Was a good job until you spilled it on me. You gotta be real careful with the water, okay? Say okay.
Okay.
Can you say Tinkerbell?
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell.
I got it, Mama.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Make